Well, hi guys, it's Reaper here, and this channel is dead. And I was just randomly, I don't know, I was looking through my Google Photos, and then I happened to see my YouTube team application video that I filmed, and ever since I applied, I have said I wanted to make you guys braid videos. But as you can see, I have still not made any in all of my 3 years. Almost 3 years in the team. But I decided I could do like a quick hairstyle for you, or like a few. I don't know if y'all know how to braid, but let me just quickly do a demonstration. You have 3 strands, then you can either go over or under, but you each time bring the side to the center, and then the other side to the center, and then the other side to the center. I usually do it like under, but if you guys want to, you can also put it like over it. So like side to the center, side to the center, side to the center, and you just continue and you see it braiding. That goes a long way, like knowing just how to braid. And if you want to do a French braid, you just do it like over the center, and then you start adding pieces when you put the side to the center. Some people do it like they put it to the center first and then add the pieces, but I personally like to be like grab the hair as I grab the side, like at the same time. Side to center and remember to add the hair. Side to center and remember to add the hair. Wow, this is so messy, but I don't know if you can see. There is the braid. And if you want to Dutch braid, then you just do the same thing, but you go under. So like side to center, but under, and add the pieces also. I'm doing the quickest tutorial ever. Oh my god, this is so messy. I'm not even looking what I'm doing. I mean, I can braid without looking, but this is just messy. But as you can see, it like pops out, whereas a French braid like goes in and it's like more smooth to the surface. I mean, my go-to hairstyle is just do 2 Dutch braids like here and here. I will show you a half up, half down with the braids. This will work on like long hair or like medium long hair, like mine used to be long, but then I bleached it and I cut it and now it's never growing anymore. Also, like braids work the best on like second day hair like I have, because it's not as slippery as freshly washed is. I don't even remember how to part hair anymore because I rarely wear any hairstyles. Nothing is more annoying as parting hair for like hairstyles and shit. But I'm gonna like tie the rest of my hair so I don't braid it. Wow, it's very pretty. But like you part your hair like from your crown to like, I don't know, that part. Maybe. I don't even know yet. Just feel like that looks like I have an undercut. But I'm gonna do a Dutch braid because it looks prettier. Let me just start with this side. No, my hair flying. And we keep adding hair to the braid as you move backwards. just braid it as like far as you can until you feel like you can't get any more hair, and then you just tie it with one of these like plastic things, plastic hairbands, I don't know, the tiny one, tiny elastics, I think that's what people call them. I'm not gonna do it very tight. Okay, I have both sides braided now, and I opened my hair. But this is like one variant of this style. It's pretty cute. Or you can just have the braids if you like it this way. You could make tiny buns with the braids. These are not even buns, but it's okay. This is just for educational purposes only. Wow. I mean, you do be looking kind of cute. This is actually cute. I have never worn it like this. Maybe I should. And you can always like curl your hair, but I'm lazy. I don't like curly hair and it never stays on me, so. Like, you could even do it like this. Oh my god, this is so cute. We love that this is like living its own life. I mean, it's look. Like, the little braids look kind of cute. Ooh. Like, I didn't even know that like you can make these many different versions with just like 2 braids. And if you would want to, you could also like do braids, more like braids from the ponytail, if you want to like the braided look. I one time had like normal ponytails and just braided the remaining bits that were here. And it's kind of cute. You can like tease your hairs for your buns, but I don't want to tease my hair right now. Like, you could be like a Sailor Moon with like braids. I mean, you could even like open these if you want to like be a Sailor Moon warrior. This is kind of cute. But I like the Sailor Moon one. I have actually made Sailor Moon ones once, but then I had like almost lower back length hair. How did you guys like this video? I mean, we can at least look cute when the channel is dying. Also, we gonna ignore my no makeup face because I didn't want to bother because it's like 9 in the morning. Bye, happy Halloween. We will see what's the future for this team, if there even is one.